You just got a raise. Your paycheck doubled. So why's your bank account still empty at the end of the month? This isn't bad luck. It's a psychological trap, and almost no one escapes it.
Meet Alex. At 22, Alex made $40,000 a year. Tight budget. Ramen for dinner. By 30, Alex is making $100,000. More than double. But here's the scary part. Alex is saving less now than before. How is that even possible?
It's called Parkinson's Law. Originally about work. Work expands to fill the time available, but it applies perfectly to money. Your paycheck grows, your brain redefines what necessary means. Two forces drive this. First, the Diderot Effect. You buy one nice thing, and suddenly everything else looks cheap. New car leads to better apartment. Better apartment leads to better furniture. It never stops. Second, hedonic adaptation. That new car feels incredible for 3 weeks. Then it's just your car. So you need something even bigger next time. Here's how to break it. Rule 1, the invisible raise. Every time you get a raise, send that extra money directly to savings before it hits your checking account. If you never see it, you can't spend it. Rule 2, the 50% cap. For every extra dollar earned, save half, spend half. Rule 3, define your enough. Pick a monthly number you are genuinely happy living on. Every dollar above that buys freedom, not stuff.
Wealth isn't how much you make. It's the gap between what you make and what you spend. Stop letting your expenses chase your income. Let your freedom catch up instead. Subscribe if this hit different. More videos like this every week.